Today I have a new design I'll be Kolrosing, a cow head on a handle of a cooking spoon. So that's the spoon, see? And this is the design I came up with. All I'll be using is a Mora 106 carving knife. So let's begin. So what is Kolrosing? It's a way of decorating wood with just the tip of a knife. So let's see how it goes. This is the first time I'm doing this design, so I'm going to be a bit more careful than usual, just to get the feel of it. See, I'm cutting in the line. So, have you ever heard about this way of decorating wood? Let me know in the comments if you've tried it. What knives do you use? I'm doing this on a cooking spoon I carved earlier, so I carve all my spoons. You can see it in my other videos, so check that out too. Also, let me know if you carve spoons or doing any kind of green woodworking. What do you do? And please comment. And what tools do you use? Also, if you'd like to see some other videos, I was thinking about a video about the knives I use and so on. Leave a comment so I know. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. This is the first time I'm doing this design. I tried various types of heads. It's hard to fit it on the handle, you know. Just you need a design that is basically just lines, and you need to recognize what's on the design, and of course needs to be doable on this size of a handle. Okay, see, it's coming along. Let's do the ear. Let's try the ear, how that goes. So first, I source all my spoons in the woods from storm-fallen timber. So I axe them out in the woods. You can see some of the videos too on my channel, and then I just carve them at home. I carve green wood. It's easier to carve, so this is called green woodworking. Have you ever heard about it? It's the traditional way of carving wood. So green wood. Okay, it's coming along. not bad for first cow head ever. So sometimes people want custom designs like these. I try to do my best to accommodate everyone. I already have so many designs. Not easy always developing new ones. Okay, ears are looking good. This wood is quite hard. It's wild cherry. Every piece is unique, so okay, it's looking good. So now maybe I'll try the nose here now. It's harder to do this and film yourself, so it's a bit slower than usual, but I try to do these videos as best as I can. It's a bit challenging, so let me know how you can see, if you see this alright and so on. How's the quality of the video? Okay, nose here. Okay, this part of the nose could be. Okay, it's coming along. What do you think? Leave a comment. Is it a good head or not? Any cattle experts out there? I don't know. This is what they call an artist's impression. Something. This side of the head. And this bottom part here of the mouth. Just to do the eyes. Eyes can always be challenging. They can ruin the piece if you mess up the eyes, so better pay attention here. Not bad. The head is done now. What do you think? So now I'm gonna frame it. Do the little frame here and then a basket weave inside, just to make it even nicer. Now I'll draw the basket weave. I do everything freehand, so I don't overthink anything. So just let it flow. Okay. Now just do the basket weave. So that's it, all done. What do you think? This is how the spoon looks. So, the last step is to rub in finely ground coffee into the lines and treat everything with linseed oil, seal it, and we're good to go. So, here it is, filled in with coffee, oiled, all done. What do you think? Nice spoon, eh? I like it. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.